And he's back. Just like that, he's back. Let me just make sure everything's working fine. And then we'll continue where we left off. In my awesome adventure of Pokemon. Publish. I'm sharing my stream real quick. Bear with me. And we're off. Yep, let's go. There we go. In the last episode, I managed to... let me just lower the volume a little bit because it's too loud in my face. Hold on. Okay, I think it's better now. So, in the last stream, I managed to collect 2 badges, and I collected 3 Pokemon. I'm actually not gonna... Danica is first! Good morning! Good morning! So yeah, last time I managed to collect... I'm not collecting them really. It's just part of the team. I got 3 Pokemon. I evolved Abra into a Kadabra. And... Isn't there a bike shop here somewhere? Let me try to remember. I think it's this guy. No, it's not this guy. Let's talk to him anyway. Okay. I don't want to know anything. Can I go back here? Oh. There's nothing though. Is there an entrance? No. I don't see the point. Alright. Is there anything in the bin? No. Maybe this is the bike shop. Hold on. Ah, it's a public holiday! Nice! Dodo! I'm sorry, you're Dodo from now on. My husband likes trading Pokemon. If you are a collector, would you please trade with him? Okay. I hate when I hit it again, Let's see. Hello there. Do you want to trade your Poliwhirl for Jinx? No. I thought there was a bike shop here somewhere. Maybe I'm hallucinating. I guess not. I guess I am, I mean. Alright, let's go through here. Danica, the way you pronounce Dada's name is Da. Hello, Mr. Team Rocket. Hey, stay out. It's not your yard, huh? Me? I'm an innocent bystander. Don't you believe me? Matchup. Kadabra! Use Confusion. Yeah, so today's my day off, and I'm playing some Pokemon. Well, I actually have a meeting at work anyway, so... I'm probably gonna be streaming for like 2 hours or something. It's about to use Drowsy. Switch Pokemon? Yes, and we're gonna use... Charmander. Enough! Come back! Charmander! We're gonna use Ember. No! Whew, at least. You're on vacation? That's nice! I'm hoping to have a vacation by the end of this month, but it really depends from work. I really need to get some time off from work first. The stupid sleepiness, come on! Yeah, of course, I trained, Danica, I trained. I don't even like to train, I mean... Some people spend a lot of time in the grass, walking around training. I'm not good with that. I hate doing that, it's too tedious for me. But I had to, because I couldn't beat the gym leader, so... But I hope that's as far as I'll have to train, because the rest now. Pokemon is evolved. And I have 3 types now, so... Okay, I'll return the TM I stole, recover TM28. Let's go. I'm hoping to catch another Pokemon today, but I'm gonna need an item. And I never reveal what Pokemon I'm gonna catch, so don't ask me. Next month we're gonna get Pokemon Gold and Silver on the eShop, so I'll be able to transfer these Pokemon over. I hope. Now, which way do I go? This way? I can't go this way. So this way. I haven't played this game in years, maybe a decade. What's inside that room anyway? I cannot go in that room. I need to jump over. I'm gonna do that because I'm curious. I could have easily emulated this game, but I won't be able to keep the Pokemon, like legit, and I want to do that. Let's see. Do you have anything for me? I run a daycare. Would you like me to raise one of your Pokemon? No. Come again. Alright. I don't think this guy's gonna let me through. I'm gonna check. No. I'm on guard. Gee, I'm thirsty though. Alright. Does it require a special Pokeball? What? The Pokemon that I want to catch? No. What did she offer? What did she offer? Do I have an either on... right. Nope. As if. Alright, let's go. Oh man, the music is so happy. What about you? People often lose things in that underground. I don't feel like going back. Alright, so I need to go down through the grass apparently. I think he's gonna be like, don't talk to my girlfriend. Who's there? Quit listening on us. I like that. Squirtle, Squirtle. Kadabra. Confusion. Poor you. Nice. Excuse me, this is a private conversation. Confusion! Nice! Check out the attack, that was awesome. But he's evolved, huh? So... Pikachu. Keep going, keep going. Look how fat Pikachu is. Man, the artwork in this game. Ooh, so close. $21. Let's keep moving. When am I gonna play with Drew? We spoke yesterday on my stream when we can play again next, but he can play tomorrow and I can't tomorrow, so we'll see. I wanna play with Drew. I miss Drew. There we go, we got a subgrub. Bye, have a great time. Sometimes they think that if they do an elaborate first sentence, that it doesn't sound like a subgrub. You're insulting my intelligence. It's some guy I've never seen before, and he writes a whole paragraph like, I stumbled across your channel, I love your content, and check out my channel. Come on. Come on. Come on. I would love to mod you, Dada, but there's no need for mods, really. My channel has been really quiet lately, so I don't really need mods. Then I try to make it a point not to have too many mods on my channel, because it overwhelms. It overwhelms... oops, I hit teleport by mistake. It overwhelms newcomers. If somebody comes in and he sees like 3 people or 4 people watching and or mods, they're gonna think it's a private party or anything like that. To me, it's just, you know. So, I will mod you one day if you stick around and my channel grows. But, I mean, if the channel is quiet, there's no need to mod people. You know? You know I wouldn't mind modding you. I haven't modded my own sister. And family comes first. No, but my point is, there's no need for mods, really. Actually, I removed a bunch of mods last week. Because there's no point. Oh, come on. Please don't die. Yes, you're gonna die. Okay. Okay. Ember. I love the attack sand attack, huh? It's really good. I love the attack sand attack. I love sand attack. Ah, he's burnt. Bye, have a great time. Oh wow, it doesn't make much damage, the burn, eh? Yeah, I modded some people, yeah, I did. I mean, my channel's been very quiet lately, and there's no need for all the mods, so I just assumed I'll remove the ones that haven't showed up in ages. Rage, yeah, sure, why not? Which should be forgotten, maybe Growl or Leer. Let's remove Leer. Flare Wolf is lurking. I see you. How are you, Flare Wolf? No, not what is this mod? And basically, I don't know if you've noticed, Danica, some people on my stream, very few, they're like shiny Pokemon. They're very rare. Some people on my stream, they have like a blue username. I don't know if you noticed them. Some of them have a blue username. Charmander's evolving. Yeah, right. The blue usernames basically they can just kick people out, remove their comments and all that. 5:17 AM. Wow. It's 11:17 AM here. I would like to get another badge today. I would like to catch another Pokemon, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I would like that to happen, but I don't think so. Ooh, so close. Alright. The Straticate, maybe everyone. No, I was just saying, Flare, I don't know if you were here when I said it, but I don't need mods. My channel's been very quiet lately. Oh, come on, man! My channel's been very quiet lately, I don't need mods. So what, you can moderate the 2 people that are here? No, but seriously. My channel's been quiet, so there's no need for mods. I actually removed a bunch of mods As I was saying, I removed a bunch of mods last week. My sister watches my streams. If anybody's gonna get priority, it's my sister that gets to be a mod. And she doesn't. She's not even a mod. But if I needed a mod, I would go for my sister. Alright, let's go. We are in... What is this called? I forgot what the city is called. What is this city called? I forgot. I completely forgot what the city's called, and now I'm annoyed. Vermilion, or Vermilion. In Italian, I used to watch it in Italian, so it was called Vermilion. Too many sausages. Exactly, it was like a sausage factory. This guy rambles a lot, and he's gonna... Oh no. Fishing gore, he's gonna give me the old rod though. I don't want the old rod. I want the good rod. So, there should be a guy that rambles a lot about Pokemon. And then, because I listened to him in great lengths, I think it's this guy. Pokemon Fan Club or something. Yeah, this is it. He's gonna ramble on and on and on, and then he's gonna give me something for listening to him. I have collected over 100 Pokemon. I am very fussy when it comes to Pokemon. So, did you come to visit to hear me talk about my Pokemon? Yeah, why not? Good, then listen up. My favorite Rapidash. It's cute, lovely, smart, plus amazing. You think so? Oh yes, it stunning, kindly, love it, hug it when sleeping, warm and cuddly, spectacular, ravishing. Oops, look at the time. I kept you too long. Vlogger received bike voucher. Oh, okay, nice. Now then, is it this bike shop then? Is this the bike shop? No? Hi, do you have a Spearow? Want to trade it for my Farfetch'd? No? Dun, 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 dun. I still haven't got cut. Yes, I just don't have cut. Hey, Jason! Now Jason's in the house. How are you, Jason? I'm getting my Pidgey to fly a letter to Saffron in the north. I need cut. I still haven't obtained cut. Where do I get cut from? Let me just make sure that I didn't get cut yet. No. I need cut. Oh yeah, I need to go ride the ship first. I need to ride the ship. Welcome to Anne. Excuse me, do you have a ticket? Yes, I flashed out the ticket. Great. Welcome to Anne. Anne. The bike is in Cerulean. I knew it. I knew it. That's fine. But I couldn't find the shop. I was looking around for it. It's okay. So we'll start from this room. Hello, sir. Shh, I'm a global police agent. I'm on the trail for Team Rocket. Okay. Uh-oh. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, who wants to fight? Sent out Nidoran. Okay. Go, Kadabra! Kadabra! I love making the Pokemon voices. I'm sorry. This is where I get cut from. I'm remembering. I think I only beat this game like once or twice in my life. TM8, what does it consist of? Let's see. Body slam. Hold on a sec. What is this then? Dig. Let's see. If I use dig, actually, I can trade and get Alakazam. Flare. I can do that. I can actually do that. Should I? I'll do it at the end of the stream. How about that? How about that? Body slam or dig? If I use dig, I'm gonna use dig. Ah, man. Never mind. What about body slam? I'll teach it to Nidoran for now. I'll trade it after the stream. I'll trade it and I'll get an Alakazam as a reward for finishing today's stream. Take this bird from all the... Oh, she's gonna battle. Wants to fight. Pidgey. Pidgey! Kadabra! Alright, so... Confusion. Critical. You buffoon. I can't wait to transfer these Pokemon over to the next game. Confusion. Today, my goals are to either get a new Pokemon or evolve a new Pokemon, and a badge. I'll be happy with that. Hello, girl. Waiter, I would like a cherry pie, please. Yeah, I will evolve Charmander, but once he learns Flamethrower. That is my thing. I never evolve my Pokemon until they learn their last move. Actually, I could look it up real quick right now, actually. Let me just bring everything up on my other computer. Hold on. Hold on a second. Cerebi.net. So, gentleman wants to fight. And... hold on. We're using red, blue, and yellow Pokédex. Bear with me. And we said this, let's look at Charmander first. Charmander learns Flamethrower at level... That's okay. Level 38. That's not bad. And Nidoran... just need to wait for him to learn double kick. Yeah, that's gonna be... It's gonna be a while. Or maybe just Horn Drill. I don't know. Maybe Horn Drill. I don't know. Maybe Horn Drill. I'll just wait for him to learn Horn Drill. 36. There we go. Nice. I need to find my room, because in my room I think I can heal. Another Nidoran. And I have the Moonstone ready to evolve him into a Nidoking, so that's gonna be okay. Motherfucker, gentleman. Where's my room? I can't find my room. I'm gonna have to revisit all the rooms because I might have missed my room already. Growlithe. I need a water type. I need a water type. I need to get a water type for sure, but I won't say which Pokemon I'm gonna get. No. The Pokemon that I'll be getting are all surprise. Surprise, surprise. But I'm gonna get a water type for sure. I need to get a water type. Another Growlithe, okay. Thank goodness Bite. Well, it still killed me because I was low on HP, but thank goodness Bite is not a dark type move yet. Scratch. Scratch should be okay. That's done. Let me go back again, because I may have missed my room. I don't know. I can't. My room should be somewhere here. No. Yeah, one of each type. Well, I mean, there's way too many types. I can only get 6, and I'm gonna skip. I'm gonna pass on. I'm gonna pass on the grass type because I don't like grass. They're weak against too many things. Where's my room? It's not my room. Let's go there. Thank you. Uh-oh. Na, na, na. Oh, he has water types. Oh no! And my Charmander's on the front. Horsey! Can I pull this off? No, I'm not gonna pull it off. I'm gonna keep persisting. Really? Did I miss? I tapped too fast. He's going first. Come on, come on, come on, you got this. Nice. 23, 23? Nope. I'm gonna switch. I have to. Got no choice. Let's try Body Slam. Yeah, paralyzed. Nice. Nice. Lapras is a good idea. Lapras is a good idea. We'll see. Come on, where's my bed? I need to heal. Withdraw. Okay. Body Slam! Oh yeah, I think I can catch Articuno, eh? Come on. Yes, paralyzed! Your favorite? Danica, you should get Pokemon. Groot level 23, nice. You run game, huh? Okay. I need to heal, I need to heal. Heal me, please. No, Charmander, no, no, no. Too soon. Too soon. You're still a baby. Still a baby. I should find my room somewhere. Oh, come on, man. Probably another sailor with water types. Yep. This is not good. This is not good. Critical, wow. Alright, body slam. Let's paralyze him or something. Ooh, nice, critical as well. Danica, yesterday I played Resident Evil 2, you missed it. From our old days. Cheer is here! Cheer is in the house! Now it's a party. I do have that max potion, but I'm scared of using it. I'm scared of using it, and then after using it I find my room. I'm scared of doing that. How are you, Cheer? About to use Horsey, let's go again. Come on, level 24. You can smash him. No! Wow! Wow! I'm gonna have to use it. I'm gonna have to use it. I'm gonna try an experiment this week. I'm gonna try to stream every day. We'll see if I can keep that up. Because I gave up on having a schedule. I cannot stream with a schedule. I work shifts, so I cannot stick to a schedule. Or a schedule, whatever you want to call it. Remember, I had a toy of Shelter. I had a toy of Shelter. Yes, I had the toy from... It was mine. It wasn't yours. I think it was mine. It was from Burger King, actually. You see, I remember, because it was mine. It was from Burger King. Alright, so, I'm gonna look around real quick. Is there an item here? It looks like there's an item here. No. If I don't find my room, I'm gonna have to... Oof. Item. I'm gonna have to heal. And he saw me. I cannot battle with Charmander. I need to heal! I want to use my Kadabra! Body slam. Oh no, PP as well! Oh! Horn attack. Staryu! Hey, Red is here! Hey, Red is here! Hey, Red is here! That's the song for you. You should really switch. Yes, I should. But he gains experience, you know? Alternating, at least. So, that's why I left him there. So he gains some experience as well. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I'm gonna die! I'm gonna GG! Please! No! You son of a biscuit. Okay, I'm dead. I have to do this all over again. Well, anyway. Scratch, I guess. Critical. And GG. That's okay. That's okay. Rip. That's okay. Rip. Rip indeed. No problem. No problem. At least I heal now. Oops, wrong side. I can't wait to transfer these Pokemon to later versions of the game. You know, it's nice to see that this Charmander eventually is gonna mega evolve, you know? Red is also a fellow Pokemon streamer. He loves Pokemon. Do you? Or do you not? No, he does. I'm gonna be okay now. We're gonna be okay. This guy okay. Because now I have my my Kadabra. I'm gonna get my payback with this guy. Sometime this week, I'm definitely gonna do a Pokemon Shiny giveaway. I'm gonna give away the starters from Hoenn, if anybody's interested. Definitely. Shut up, Red. Digimon are not that bad, but they have that rip-off stench. They smell too much like rip-off. They weren't that bad, but no. Alright, let's go. TM44. What does it have? Let's see. Back in the day, I used to memorize these numbers, these TMs. It contains wrist. Oh, nice! $18 subscribers overnight? Wow. I only lost like 2 or 3. 2 or 3 I lost. Did you see how many... Did you see what happened to Captain Sparkles? That was hilarious. He reached his 10 million. And they had a party, he had the cake, the 10 million cake. He made the 10 million video. And now... he went down by like... I don't know, thousands. Thousands of subs. That was hilarious. $24. Yeah, something like that. No, it's nothing broken actually, Flair. Nothing's broken. It's just that we're behind. They have a system where they remove spammy accounts. And they were just behind. They do it regularly, like every day or like every couple of days. But this time they were behind on them, so they caught up and they removed a bunch. It's amazing how many spammy accounts exist. Come on, let's get that cut. Oh, I'm gonna need to catch a Pokemon for cut, just for cut. I'm not gonna waste a move on my team, so I'm gonna have to catch a Pokemon for cut. Which won't count towards my team, obviously. So I'm gonna look it up real quick, see who learns cut, so that I can catch an Oddish or something. We're done there. Okay. Still haven't found my bed though. Dead end. That 8-bit music though, huh? That 8-bit music. Yeah, but I'm not gonna waste a move on my Charmander with cut, as if, nah. Okay, I think my room is somewhere over here, I think. Is this my room? Nope, it's not. My internet died. That's lovely. That's lovely. Nice. My internet died. That was stupid. Sorry about that. I hope I'm still live. Am I still live? We probably need to refresh or something. Why did it do that? Hang on. It doesn't work like that? Alright, there we go. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it died. It just died. My internet died. You see, my internet never dies, except when I'm streaming. Always. I kid you not. I kid you not. I hate that. I found a quote from Mr. Captain Sparkles of YouTube just purged subscribers, right as I exactly, yes. I think I retweeted that tweet. I think I retweeted that. Anywho, hold on. Let me just reorganize my windows again, because I want everything to look. There we go. Goldine. Goldine, 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 Goldine. Goldine has swag. I don't like Goldine. I kid you not, my internet never dies, except when I'm streaming. It sounds like Caterpie, the cry. Alright, let's go. I still haven't found my room. Everyone wants to battle the Vloggy because of, obviously, I mean, I'm a pro, 100%, GG. Fat you! Back when Pikachu was fat. Even in the anime he was fat. Pikachu's original design was fat. Oh. Okay. What do we have here? Max Ether. Which way did I come from? I came from this way. Confused. Yeah, I know that. They're not working at the moment, notifications, seriously? I didn't know that. Come on, I'm done. I'm done fighting people, come on. Wants to fight, I love that. They changed that to wants to battle. I like that. Thanks for ranting on Discord about it, really? Na, 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 na. 26. Gentleman. Alright. Should I switch? 26. Yeah, I'm gonna switch with Charmander. No! Ugh. Rare candy. I'll save that for last. Amber. I hate Rattata so much. I can't wait till Silver and Gold is released on eShop. No! Ah! Yes, I am stopping Charmander from evolving. That's my thing. I like them babies. Till they learn the final move, basically. I'm waiting for him to learn Flamethrower. Do I have a Paralyze heal? Unlikely. No. Where's my room? Stefan found my room. Hello, girl. Like ra-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta, ra-ta-ta-ta-ta. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No, Russell, no! No, Russell, no! I need to heal! He's gonna thrash me. He's going to thrash me. He's gonna whoop me. Oh man, Russell wants to fight. Sorry, Vloggy, your room is on another ship. Man, this is not good. I'm paralyzed. I need to heal. Ooh, if I can pull this off. Ah, critical. Maybe I'll switch. Yeah, I'm gonna switch actually. Neither an. Yeah, that's what they say. I was reading about it yesterday, actually, Red. I never heard of that thing where you kill. It's an interesting theory. I read about it yesterday. I had no idea that there was this whole theory that you can kill. He just replaced his Pokemon. There he is, his Raticate. Keep body slam. It's a strong Raticate, huh? I hate that Hyper Fang. Ooh, nice! Ooh, nice! And I killed Raticate. Is that how to use Kadabra? Okay, now we're not good. Alright, let's see. Ember. I don't stand a chance. No, I don't stand a chance. Ooh, you stupid. Ooh, so close. So close. It's okay. It's okay. Looks like my Kadabra's gonna get all the XP. It said that Raticate beat Red's Pikachu so badly he got angry and wouldn't stop attacking Raticate after it was down. Yeah. Confusion. My Kadabra is superior. War Turtle. And GG. I heard there was a cut master on board, but he was just a seasick old man. But cut itself is really useful. You should go see him. Smell ya? My favorite rival was from Gold and Silver. Because he was really mean and nasty. There he is. I'm gonna rub his back. Gotta give him a massage. The captain of a cruise liner and gets seasick. So funny. Alright, we're done. Get out of here. We're done here. Anything in here? Yuck. Should have looked. Alright, Red. No problem. Thank you so much for hanging out, buddy. I hope you have a great day. Oh, come on, man. I wasn't expecting that. Nah, I'm getting out of here. We're done. Kadabra's gonna be very OP, I think. Oh, there you go. Even more OP. Let's try it out. The new move. GG. I never found my room. I'm out of this cruise ship. I didn't even have a room. This is cute. That's cute. 8-bit graphics are cute. Where do I heal? I'm gonna have to go catch a Pokemon now. That knows cut. That can learn cut. I know, right, Cheer? I know. And that's the effect that streaming has on me. Whenever I'm watching somebody play a game, then I feel like playing the game. I'm always like that. Diglett Cave, yes? I don't feel like going in the Diglett Cave, but I'm gonna have to. Alright, let's see if I can catch... Hold on, I'm gonna switch actually. I don't need... Alright, let's see if I can catch a Pokemon that can learn... Drowsy cannot learn it. Maybe an Oddish? Oddish can learn Cut for sure. Lately, it's so weird. Lately I've been itching to play Resident Evil 4 on the Wii. I want to play it on the Wii. I don't know why. I want an Oddish. Please don't make me go all the way back. Against. Should I just go back? I know where Oddishes can be. Maybe I'll just go back. Because I'm scared that there might not be any here. Oh wait, Diglett learns Cut. I'm stupid. Diglett learns Cut. Let's go get the Diglett actually. Let's go get the Diglett. Nope. Come on! Against! Hello, sir. Whoa, what a surprise. Diglett dug this long tunnel, blah 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 blah, straight to Viridian City. Alright, so. Come on, Diglett. Show yourself. Really? Alright, there we go. Ah, you dug a hole, diggy hole. Ah, man. Wow, he's strong. I will need the bird Pokemon as well, yes. I think it's gonna be okay. Item. Pokeball. Pokeball, go! Alright. I don't care about anything. I just need to teach a Pokemon cut, that's all. I will need a bird Pokemon, yes, but actually, I'll have my Charizard. I can use my Charizard to fly. What? Diglett doesn't learn it? I caught a Diglett for nothing. I could have sworn Diglett learns cut. Where did I get that from? That was a waste of effort. You should totally play Pokemon Yellow, Cheer, and stream it. If your PC can handle it. I'm kidding. I know you have a good PC. Alright. Release. There are no Pokemon here. Pause it. I'm gonna release it because I can. Bye, Diglett! I'm gonna have to go back to catch the Oddish. And I still have to go back anyway because... Unless there's Pokemon here. Hold on. Let's see. I need an Oddish or a Paras. Not a Pidgey. I still have to go back to Cerulean anyway to get my bike. So... Just check one more time here, just to be on the safe side. Oh, Oddish! Nice. Alright. Oddish definitely learns. Can you handle a scratch? Yes. You can handle another one, I think, assuming it's not a critical. Alright, good. I just realized I should have kept that Diglett for strength. Whatever. These Pokemon do not count towards my team, okay? So that's why I'm not adding them on the side. You're just a tool, Oddish. You're just a tool. Actually, let's do it now. Item. There we go. Let's get ourselves another badge. I have to go to the menu. Ah, how sweet. How cute. That's adorable. Oh, there's a puzzle here. I forgot about this. Nice. Oh, come on, man. Nice. I don't think it's gonna affect the steel type. I don't think it's gonna work like that, but I'll try. I wish. No. No, it doesn't work. Ooh, he's burnt though. And rip. Ooh, nice. I'm gonna switch. I want him to get some XP. So if there's no steel type, I can body slam him just fine, yes? Let's see. Yeah. Nice! Fried. No, Charmander, now's not your time. Whoa, I almost got distracted by looking at something else on screen. Whoops. Nice. I almost let him evolve. Whew. Alright, let's get rid of these guys first, and then we'll handle the puzzle next. He's hanging in on 1 HP. That is a strong attack. Well, that was critical, really. Oh, come on! Yeah, you can stop Pokemon from evolving. That's what I always do. Always. If you leave them babies, if you don't evolve them and keep them little babies, that's what I like to call them, they will learn moves quicker. Let me give you an example real quick, since you asked. For instance, Charmander. If I keep him as a Charmander, he will learn Flamethrower at level 38. If I evolve him into a Charizard, he will learn Flamethrower at 46. That's not a joke. That's a big difference. So yeah, that's why I like to keep them as babies. I don't think I'm gonna make it. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Ooh, I think I am. Ooh, yes! I don't feel like healing, so I'm just gonna go ahead and proceed. Hey, Poke Galaxy, welcome! Alright, so, Ember. Yeah, I know I'm gonna get trashed, I think. But... Actually, you know what? No. I'm gonna switch to my, Kadabra. So he gets some experience. Ah, critical. Alright, let me go heal up, and I'll handle the puzzle next. And then we'll take on the gym leader. We should be okay. It's so cute that you have to go to the menu like this. to use the move. Whoa. So yeah, Oddish is not part of the team. That's why I didn't put it on the side with the others. So, Pokemon? Hello, Poke Galaxy. I said hello. So, cut. Let's handle the puzzle now. So, nope, only trash here. Okay. Nope. There's only trash here. Nope, only trash here. Only trash here. Hey, there's a switch under the trash. Turn it on? Yes. Alright, we got this. What? Okay. What the heck? Ah, so come on, this is stupid. How am I supposed to know where it is? This is stupid. How am I supposed to know where the switches are now? Come on. Oh, come on. How do I do this? And now there's only trash. The switch is gone. That's stupid. I'm gonna speak to them, maybe they know something. The door won't open. Always was cautious. Oh, that's it? Okay. That's stupid. Ah, okay. That's better. That's a good hint. Come on! Alright, so it has to be... So it has to be this. There we go. There we go. And here we go! Is there anything here? Hey, Lieutenant Sarge. Are you ready to battle me? Huh? My baby Pokemon? Oh man, I love this music. Valtarb. Do your best, Charmander. Whatever. That's okay. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. One down. 2 more to go. Alright. I don't care about X speed, come on. So he's gonna attack first now, so what? Ooh, nice critical, nice. 25. Raichu. Alright, let's keep going. That's okay, you've done enough, Charmander. You're up next, Nidoran. Ooh, wow, that was a critical. Come on, man, that was cheap. That was unfair. Nothing can beat my Kadabra, though. Use Psybeam. Kadabra! Haha! Critical hit in your face. GG. Now I'm happy. Take the Thunder Badge. Yes! I got the Thunder Badge. I'm happy now. Probably gave me Thunderbolt, eh? Thunderbolt. Yep. Let's go. Don't cheat. Now I have 3 badges. I'm happy. Are you kidding me? Come on. This is annoying. There's a few trainers out here, I'm gonna get rid of them. I'm gonna handle all these trainers here. Ah, crap. Oh, they are actually, yes, you're right. Hold on, I need to fix that, bear with me. Thank you for bringing that up, I didn't notice. Actually, it doesn't work like that. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Maybe better like this? Kind of better, yes. I think it's better like this. But thank you so much for bringing that up. Thank you. If it's not for feedback, I wouldn't know what I'd do. Alright, so I'm doing something right now. Hold on. I'm looking for an item right now, and I need to know where to get it from in this game. Thank you, Cheer. Thank you, Danica. So, I'm looking for an item, and I'm looking online right now where I can find it. I need to go to Fuchsia City. That's gonna be a while, actually. I need to speak to the fishing guru. Alright. I need to make it to Fuchsia City. I don't think I'm gonna catch the Pokemon today then. Come on, how much longer are you gonna sleep? Are you kidding me? Oh, it's like you timed it perfectly. Alright, that does it. That does it. Is this guy? Yeah, okay. I really wanted to catch this Pokemon that I have in mind, but I'm not gonna make it to Fuchsia City. I'm gonna check the map actually, I wanna see how far I am from... Ooh, Nidorino! Yes! No Charmander, not yet. Let me check the map real quick. How far am I from a Fuchsia City? Lavender. Yeah, I'm quite far actually. I'm quite far away. Buzzsprout. Oh wow, strong. Ouch. Remember Buzzsprout Tower? Come on, please. Alright. Alright, so Vloggy defeated Gambler, Il Gambler. Are we done? No? More? So many. I could be training my next Pokemon right now. Growlithe. Alright, Scratch. No? No? Yes? No? Yes? Yes. I'm gonna have to go heal now after this. Ooh, nice. Ah, no! Ah, well played. Well played game. I noticed that this game has a lot of criticals, lots of misses. Misses. It's true. It's unaffected because he's sleeping. Funny. Ooh! Nice. Ah, Vulpix. Kadabra! I'm gonna go heal now. Gambler. Alright, out of here. Na 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 na. I wonder if I can make my way down towards Fuchsia instead of Lavender. I wonder. Because I would like to catch that Pokemon ASAP. Which game has Skitty? I think Skitty was introduced in... Interesting. I don't know. I think Skitty was introduced in... Ruby and Sapphire, I think. I think that's a 3rd gen Pokemon. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Drowsy. I'm laying down some cables. Okay, man. You know, I just realized Charmander is 10 levels away from evolving. Yes! From evolving, I mean from me allowing him to evolve, really. Did you say I had a meeting today? I do have a meeting, yes. At 2 PM though. At 2 PM. So, in about half an hour I'll start getting ready. I'm gonna try to make it a point to stream every day this week. Every day. I'll see if I can do that. Because I cannot stick to a schedule, or a schedule, with the way I work with my shifts, so that is out of the question. But can I stream every day? So this week is going to be an experiment. I streamed yesterday, Resident Evil 2, today some more Pokemon. We'll see what I'll do tomorrow. I think I'm going to get my hands on a VR. I mean, it won't be mine, but I think I'm going to get my hands on a VR, and maybe I can stream Resident Evil 7 with the headset. That would be fantastic. We'll see. We'll see. I think it's gonna happen. Magnemite. Come on, give me level 27. Give me level 27. 27, is it gonna happen? Ah, another Magneton. Magneton. Yes, I think I can use the face cam that comes with the VR. No, I think I can. I mean, there's no point in me streaming VR and my reaction and everything if I'm not gonna show you my face, you know? So, yeah, if I'm gonna stream VR, it's gonna be with the face cam for sure. And I'll play Resident Evil. I'll finish the whole thing from start to finish, I think. We'll see. Oh, GG. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna try to stream every day this week. And if I don't feel like playing a game, which is very unlikely, but if I don't, I'll do a song request or something. Or as we call it, a vloggy radio. Level 26! No. Alright. Just 2 more guys and I'm out of here. Yeah, cheer. It would be fun. It would be funny. And fun. Fun/funny. I will have a friend with me, sitting next to me, so he can read the comments and tell me what's going on and everything, so yeah. Kirli is a nice Pokemon and a very strong one as well. It Mega Evolves in the later games. So I agree with that here. GG. Alright. One last Pokemon trainer and I'm gonna go heal again. Oh, come on, man! Spearow! Most of the Pokemon don't look cute in this game. It's the way they're drawn. Come on, I want Nidoran to take all of them out. Start from that Rattata. I don't think so. Critical, my goodness. That's 1 down. Let's see. Two down. Eradicate. I don't think I'm gonna do this. Eradicate is very strong. Ooh, I win. Yes, you do, my friend. Yes, you do. Alright. We're done training Pokemon for the time being. Now let's get out of here. Really? Already full? Wow. My bag is full. How lame. Ratty cake. Alright, out of here. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna quickly check. Actually, you know what? There's no time now. I don't think there's time. Actually, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna quickly check to see if I can make my way down to Fuchsia City. If I can make it to Fuchsia City, that would be fantastic. I think I can, actually. I think I can. Let's find out, because I'm curious. That's all I want to do. I want to see if I can do it. So I don't have to go through the Diglett's cave, actually. I don't. Na 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 na. Oh, did I miss this guy? No. Nothing in here? It's empty space? I want to see if I can make it down there to Fusion, so I can catch my next Pokemon. I won't be able to catch him today because there's no time, and it's a long way to... Oh, I cannot! There's a Snorlax in the way. So this is not where I have to go next. Where do I go then? I don't even know where to go. I don't even know where to go. So I do have to take the Diglett's Cave then. But where is it gonna lead? Let's see. Where do I get the Pokemon Flute? I don't know. I have to go to Saffron City. From here. Alright, Saffron City's next then. So that's pretty much it. I'll figure it out next time. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to evolve my Kadabra. Because I said I would. So I'm gonna get my other DS. Hold on a sec, I'm gonna go get my other DS. And we'll trade so I can get my Kadabra. Hold on. Alright, so I got my other DS. Now the thing is this, you won't be able to see the Pokemon evolving, I'm very sorry. But hey, at least I'm gonna evolve him. Give me a second, I'm switching it on. And the other copy I have is Pokemon Blue on the other console. Alright, why not? I'm gonna trade Mew. Why not? So I have it on the Pokédex, why not? So, okay, hold on. Welcome to the Cable Club. Please apply here. Before opening the link, we have to save the game. Okay, sure. Okay, now it's asking me to... Hold on a sec. It says invite a partner. So we have to save the game, yes. Please wait. Saving on the other game as well. And now... So, invite a partner. Accept an invitation. Alright, start. Trade center. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna trade. trade. That's funny. How cute. So, I'm gonna Kadabra. Trade. And I'm gonna give myself the Mew. So at least I have it on the Pokédex. Kadabra and Mew will be traded. Trades. Oh, the other one. Here it comes. Blue will trade Mew for Vloggy's Kadabra. Yeah, he's evolving on the other end, I can see him. I'm gonna trade him back. And here comes back. Look at the Game Boy. Oh, look at some. Yes! Now I have a Alakazam! I'm gonna make him kind of smaller. He's too big to fit in the box, but hey, that's the next best thing. How cute! Now I have an Alakazam. And Mew went back. And now at least I have Mew on the Pokédex as well. And I'm doing everything legit. And cancel. Now how do I quit? How do I get out of here? How do I get out of here now? No, cancel. How do I exit? I have to reset, I think, yes. Alright, so I think that's it. Power off. Okay, we're good. Hold on. I didn't see a door though. Was there a door? I didn't see a door. I hope it's saved. I hope it's saved. I don't feel like doing this again. Yes! Oh, look at something! Yes, nice. There we go. Haha. There we go. Our awesome Alakazam. Alright, that's how we're gonna end this stream today. We got another badge and we evolved another Pokemon. Next time, I would love to catch another Pokemon next time. I don't know if that's gonna happen or not. I hope so, but we'll see. I'm gonna have to go. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. You're awesome. And I will see you tomorrow. I'm gonna stream every day. Take care. Bye. Ciao.